What are you doing? Wait! What are you doing?
It's your car.
Who the fuck? Who?
It's your car. Just let me know if it's your car or
What are you doing? Why are you taking my car?
because it's suspended.
What do you mean it's suspended?
That's I need to.
You just put that there.
No. I
You
don't
just
touch
put that there.
No, I don't touch that. If you want the car, I drop the car and you move it. That's it.
Put the car back down. I can't believe it. You can't just take the car. But I don't understand what you're doing. Yeah, but you just put that sign there. Yes, you have. You just put the sign there. So what? Have I got, how much is it? A ticket? Well, no, but did you do that?
It's only two bed suspended, not this one.
Oh, hang on. No, that's not my car. That's not mine. It's not mine. Fucking hell, sorry, man. Jesus. I was out last night.